What's going on, guys? I am back with another video. Now, yes, as you can see behind me, I did buy another vehicle. Now, I wasn't planning on it, but it just kind of showed up one day and I bought it. So let's get right into it. So what we have here is a 2000 Chevy Tahoe that I picked up for $1,500. Now, that being said, you can imagine its condition. It is not a show quality by any means, but it is in fairly good shape. Now we're gonna start looking at the old, fender wells. They're usually rotted out, and these are actually in pretty good condition. There seems to be a little bit of rust, starting to come up there, but nothing crazy. The frame actually looks really clean. Well, the undercarriage is actually in pretty good shape for being a 2000. Let's see if I can get underneath here. I don't know if you guys can see there, but these things are usually falling apart, and for some reason this one isn't, so I decided to buy it. Now I'm gonna walk around it, point out a couple of other things that are wrong with it, and we're gonna look into the hood here. Paint's peeling on both sides. Nothing crazy. You can probably just throw a little more touch-up paint on that or something. Front fender wells are in really good shape, really clean. And we come on the passenger side behind the door here. It's not looking very sexy, but it's for being a beater, and it's nothing crazy. Other than that, the body is in fairly clean shape, I would say. Yeah, I did forget about the hatch. The paint's coming off. Looks like something got underneath it. Some sort of chemical, I guess, maybe. I don't know. And made the paint bubble up and peel, but not too worried about that. We'll see if we can find a replacement for it. Now, let's jump on the inside, and that's where most of the work is going to be needed. All right, now we're going to take a quick look at the inside. I did have to open the doors because the smell in here is just out of this world, man. Something else. So according to the previous owner, we'll need either a motor or window switch, which should be a simple fix. We're missing a couple of panels here. I guess it used to have some kind of sound system. We got the old power wire running through the back, and looks like we've got a mic just kind of sitting here. Yep, used to be an old mic. Hello, nothing. All right, throw that back up there. Seats. We are gonna need new seats. They're gone. And we're missing a radio. No radio in there. And this thing is pretty filthy. Look at that. It's nasty. I don't even want to touch that. You can take a look at that. Come take a look. Yeah, it is nasty. It does have a sunroof, which is nice. Summertime's coming up. We got a giant hole here in the old headliner. That's cool. And we're gonna, oh, there's a Lola. What are you doing? Hi. Taking a look in the back. Sounds like we need new door pins in these guys. There you go. Yeah, those are gone. Probably the grommet that goes in the middle, but we'll try to take care of that. Missing another panel here. We got this professional install for the old sound system. Come on now, who does that? Wow. Well, I hope there's no power going to this thing. Nope, would have sparked already, so that's a good thing. All right, we got a water jug. That's cool. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. I need no water jug. Random panel just laying there. Another random panel. All right, and more random panels. Nice. What do we got here? Sounds like some change. What is this thing? What are you doing? All right. Sounds like a mud panel. Let's get these over. Piece of rubber. All right, know where that goes. What is this? Pillowcase. Looks like we got some change. Check that out. All right. Yep. Sounds like change. A little bag of change. There we go. Some pennies. Got a mix there. Pennies, dimes, quarters. All right. I like that. Yeah, got some more in there. Cool. Well, we can probably throw this in the old water jug, and that'd be nice. Fill her up. Yeah. Now let's check the back here. Oh, goodness. Oh, what's going on with you? Stay open. Nope, it won't stay open. Great. So, new doors, struts, hatch struts, whatever you want to call them. And, yeah. Looks like the carpet's seen better days. The guy did say it needed a radiator, which I assume that's why these are off. Yeah, looks like the old air intake. This should go on top of the radiator. This will go on top of the fan. And yeah, let's close this back up because it's gonna fall on my head. All right. Looks like somebody's been messing with the seats because the nuts are gone. Yeah, I guess somebody was taking them off. Well, that's good. Got me a head start on that. So the plan is going to be take these seats out, take the front seats out. Speaking of system, there used to be an old flat screen there. That's cool. But yeah, we're gonna need some more door pins on this one. Ugh. Squeeze that back up. So yeah, take the back seats, take the front seats out, center console out, whatever else we need to take off to replace this carpet. Because I'm not trying to clean that. It looks like some grease and who knows what else. Yeah, so this thing will be definitely getting torn apart. Oh, goodness. I'm going to close it back up, though. Down with you. Now, let me see if we can open the hood and take a look under the hood. Bam. Oh, great. That doesn't look good. Something like that, I guess. Oh, that's broken. Yep, that is broken. Let's see if we can do that. Alright. That should have done it. Let's go take a look. Alright, so I was able to open the hood with the broken hood latch. Now, yes, we are missing radiator. Looks like we have a couple of new things. Newish fan here. Newish water pump. What else? That's about it. Alright. That's nothing crazy in here. But yeah, so according to the guy, radiator started leaking. So he parked it. He was in the process of replacing it. He got tired of it. And he just wanted it gone. So here we are. Oh, we're gonna need something to hold this battery down. Goodness. What's going on with you? Alright. Get out of there. Alright, we need one of them jiggers to hold this thing down. Cool. What else we got? Yeah, there's not much to it. There's the old Chevy Tahoe. I'm still kind of undecided on what I want to do with it. I know for sure I'm going to put a new radiator in it and at least see if it fires up, see if there's anything wrong with the engine. And maybe, I don't know, I was kind of thinking the other day if I lowered it 3 inches in the front, 3 in the back, that would look pretty cool. But yeah, if I decide to keep it I'm definitely gonna take that interior apart, swap those seats out for something different. Maybe not new seats, but new to me, I suppose. Try to do something with the hatch here. See if I can find a different hatch for it. So I don't want to deal with the paint match thing, especially being this old. Who knows? Maybe we can lift it. Put a leveling kit in it. I don't know. I think that would look decent as well. Lift the front up another inch or so, 2 inches maybe. That would look kind of decent. Yeah, I'm still working the Caprice, so there's definitely going to be some content between the Tahoe, the Caprice, the OBS, and yeah, let me know what you guys want to see with the old Tahoe. You know, who knows? Maybe we can drop it, slam it on the ground. We'll see. But anywho, I'll catch you guys on the next one.